Imagine a world where the stock market is like a giant game of leapfrog, with companies and indexes hopping over each other in a bid to get ahead. Just last February 6, we witnessed a spectacular round of this game, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average leaping to the front, showing us all how it's done. This wasn't just any day on Wall Street. It was a day when giants like BP, Eli Lilly, Palantir, and UBS decided to put on their best performances, lighting up the scoreboard and drawing all eyes to their dazzling financial feats. It was a day that reminded us of the resilience and dynamism of markets, capable of bouncing back with vigor and setting the stage for a thrilling narrative of growth and opportunity. Welcome to Stock Whispers, your gateway to investment brilliance. Today we will dive into market resurgence. Dow leads the charge as BP, Eli Lilly, Palantir, and UBS shine bright. So, after the market's little stumble on Monday, it was like watching a thrilling comeback story unfold right before our eyes on Tuesday. Imagine the market as a determined underdog in a sports movie, picking itself up, dusting off the Monday blues, and sprinting towards victory. The Dow Jones, acting like the seasoned captain of the team, led with confidence, posting a gain that had investors cheering from the sidelines. Not far behind, the S&P 500, like a reliable co-captain, added its own flair to the rally, while the Nasdaq, the agile newcomer, made sure it wasn't left in the dust, even if just by a whisker. It was as if each index had its own theme music playing in the background, making moves and setting the stage for an exciting day on Wall Street. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Picture this scenario as more than just numbers going up and down. It's a reflection of countless stories unfolding in businesses and households around the country. Each percentage point up or down can mean something different for everyone, from the small investor watching their portfolio grow to the big companies making strategic moves based on these shifts. This rally wasn't just a win for the indexes, it was a beacon of hope for many, signaling that, hey, maybe things are looking up. And as the market danced its way through the day, it was a reminder that in the world of stocks, every day brings a new rhythm, a new challenge, and a new opportunity to shine. So, as we watch this financial dance-off, it's clear the market's got moves, and we're all here for the show, learning and growing with each step it takes. Quick Whisperers poll: what do you think propelled the Dow higher? A. Stellar earnings reports, B. Investor optimism, or C. Magic? Drop your guess in the comments and let's see who's tuned in to the market's rhythm. Oh, it's that time again, when the corporate world hands in their report cards, and boy have we got some straight A students this season. Imagine each company stepping up to the stage, spotlight shining, ready to unveil their secrets. BP, the energy giant, didn't just hit the mark, they leaped right over it, setting the bar high for everyone else. It's like they were the star athlete at the track meet, breaking records when everyone was just hoping they'd finish the race. And then there's Eli Lilly, Palantir, and UBS, each strutting up with their own swagger, ready to show the world what they've been up to. From pioneering healthcare breakthroughs to cutting-edge tech developments and financial wizardry, they're not just making money, they're making a statement. But let's peel back the curtain a bit more, shall we? When companies like these knock it out of the park, it's not just about the numbers. Think of it as a sneak peek into our future. Eli Lilly's breakthroughs whisper hints of what's next in medicine, promising hope and health. Palantir's tech advancements? They're like a crystal ball, giving us glimpses into tomorrow's innovations today. And UBS's financial acumen shows us the pulse of the economy, guiding us through the twists and turns of global finance. It's like being at a magic show where every trick is more dazzling than the last. These earnings reports are more than just figures on a page. They're chapters in the ongoing story of human progress, innovation, and resilience. And as we turn each page, eager to see what's next, we're reminded of the incredible journey we're all on together in this ever evolving world of business and technology. Now, if you're sitting there scratching your head, wondering, okay, but how does this affect my wallet? You're not alone. Think of these earnings reports as the secret sauce that flavors the whole investment stew. When a company posts big numbers, it's not just patting itself on the back. It's sending a signal, like a beacon of success, that it's strong, healthy, and ready for the future. This is like the financial world's version of a thumbs up. For you, the savvy investor, it's a hint that it might be time to hitch a ride with these winners. It's like being at a crossroads with signs pointing to potential gold mines. These high performers could lead the way to sectors of the market that are warming up, ready for you to explore and maybe, just maybe, strike investment gold. Diving deeper, let's break it down with a simple analogy. Imagine you're at a giant buffet and you've got all these dishes to choose from. The companies knocking it out of the park with their earnings are like the most popular dishes. Everyone wants a piece. But here's where it gets interesting. Just because something's popular doesn't mean it's the right choice for everyone. Your investment strategy is like your plate at this buffet. You've got to decide what fits just right, balancing flavors and nutrition. Those high-performing companies, they're like the chef specials, definitely worth considering. But you've got to make sure they match your taste and dietary needs. In investment terms, this means aligning with your financial goals and risk appetite. So, as you navigate this buffet of investment opportunities, remember it's all about finding the right mix that satisfies your hunger for growth, stability, and ultimately success. Now, imagine you're a detective with a magnifying glass, and each earnings report is a clue. BP's standout performance is like finding a treasure map that leads to the resilient world of energy. It tells us that, despite the ups and downs, there's a steady heartbeat in the energy sector, pulsing with potential. On the other side, Eli Lilly and Palantir are like beacons of innovation in healthcare and tech, illuminating the path forward with their breakthroughs and advancements. It's as if they're saying, hey, over here, the future's bright and we're lighting the way. But here's where the plot thickens. The IT sectors stumble, with chip stocks taking a hit, throws in a twist. Yet, even in this twist, there's a silver lining. It's a reminder that the market is a living, breathing entity, always moving, always evolving. For the keen-eyed investor, these shifts are not just setbacks, but signs of where the next opportunity might lie. And what about the broader market implications? With the Fed's interest rate decisions on everyone's mind, the market's response is like a finely tuned orchestra reacting to the conductor's movements. Will we see a pivot? Or is it steady as she goes? Let's speculate. Now it's your turn to whisper back. Where do you see the market heading in light of these earnings and economic signals? Bullish strides or bearish retreats? Share your thoughts in the comments. Venturing out into the wider world, it's like stepping into a bustling international market where every stall is brimming with activity. The FTSE 100, riding high on BP's wave, is like a standout booth drawing crowds, showing off the robust health of the UK market. Meanwhile, the Stoxx Europe 600, hitting a new peak, is like the main attraction, dazzling onlookers with its variety and strength, showcasing Europe's financial prowess. Then there's the Shanghai Composite, soaring to heights not seen in over a year, much like a surprise performers stealing the show and reminding everyone of China's significant role on this global stage. This lively bazaar of markets and indexes is a vivid demonstration of our world's financial interconnectedness, where a ripple in one corner can create waves across the entire pond. It's a world where distances shrink in the face of economic ties, proving that in the grand tapestry of global finance, every thread is interwoven. This global dance of markets, with each region playing its part, underscores the beauty of diversity in the financial ecosystem. Just as travelers marvel at the unique sights and sounds of each country they visit, investors too can appreciate the distinct opportunities each market presents. The surge in the FTSE 100, the triumph of the Stoxx Europe 600, and the Shanghai Composites rally are like postcards from abroad, inviting us to explore beyond our familiar territories. They remind us that in the vast world of investing, there are endless adventures waiting, each with its own story and potential for reward. As we witness these markets moving in harmony yet charting their own courses, it's clear that our financial destinies might be intertwined, but the journey for each investor is a personal voyage across this rich and varied landscape, filled with both challenges and opportunities. With all eyes on the global economy, what does this mean for your portfolio? Diversification, my friends, might just be the key to riding these international waves. Before we wrap up, let's check in on our Whispers poll. And it looks like most of you guessed B. Investor optimism. You're on the money, and it's that sentiment driving markets, alongside tangible results from our earnings heroes. What a journey we've had today, from market comebacks to earnings spectacles and beyond. Each twist and turn on this financial adventure has shown the ups and downs of investing, teaching us valuable lessons and giving us a peek into the crystal ball of future possibilities. Thanks for tuning into Stock Whispers. If you enjoyed our deep dive, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our expert investing advice. Until next time, keep listening to those whispers and let them guide you to your next big win. See you soon.